We are here today at 309 Piney Creek Drive in Blacklick, Ohio. Come on in. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom condo with 1,224 square feet of living. This is a newly renovated condo with hardwood floors, all new painting, ceiling fans with lights. Look at those cathedral ceilings, aren't those beautiful? Attached to the living room is a small dining area. And as we make our way into the kitchen does offer brand new granite countertops, brand new appliances, stove, microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher. The center island has a breakfast nook at the end of it. Can easily fit a couple of stools. Off the kitchen, we do have a private patio. Next to that, we have the 2-car attached garage. You can visit us at www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com or reach us by phone at 614-505-6212. As we make our way through the hallway, we come to the laundry facility. Washer and dryer is not included in this home. Let's make our way upstairs. On the second floor here, we have the first room is a utility room, has the furnace and hot water tank. We're actually going to be seeing the second bedroom first, which is on the second floor. This bedroom offers 2 closets. Also a ceiling fan. The upstairs has brand new carpeting. Also does have its own full bathroom with upgraded sink, vanity, as we make our way back downstairs, we will check out the master bedroom. And again, you can visit us at www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com or reach us by telephone at 614-505-6212. So we come back down the stairs and through the kitchen. Our master bedroom is located off the right-hand side of the living room. Nice large vaulted ceilings with ceiling fan in here. This room also has brand new carpeting. Stand-up shower is in the master bathroom. And off of the master bathroom, we have a walk-in closet. We thank you today for taking this tour of 309 Piney Creek Drive in Blacklick, Ohio. 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath of 1,224 square foot of living. We thank you today for joining us, and please visit us at www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com or by calling us at 614-505-6212 to schedule a showing. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Have a great day.